Hi everyone, welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. So in this video guys, we will continue your Java tutorial. So next topic we have discussed static and non-static and then local variable. Then we have some rules for the local variable. So in this video guys, we will discuss final variable. So if you remember, we have also discussed about of the final variable. So what is the final variable? So when you will define the final variable as a final, the value cannot be changed, so others people cannot be change the value, then we should go for final variable. So why we can use the final variable? If you have some security, right, something could not be changed, then we should go for final variable. So one more thing, final variable you can define as a class level and you can also define as a local as well, so there is no restriction. Okay, so let's see how to work with the final variable. So I'll create one class. Okay, so demo test, and this is your frequent interview question guys, so definitely they will ask you the question from the final. So now we were discussing about of the final variable, but final you can apply with class as well, method as well. So I will come on that. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so as of now I'm just giving the example of final int 20. Okay, int x equal to 20. Okay, I have defined this variable as a final now, right? This is your class level variable. Now I will also define local variable as a final. So final int y equal to 30. Okay, just try to print this all this two variable. So a static you can access directly, no need to create an object, or you can access using the class name. So if you are watching my video from last, like from starting, then definitely you should not having the any confusion. But yeah, still you are not able to understand any point and anything, you can comment. Definitely I will reply back to you guys. Okay, so now I can print by as well. So this is your by. Okay, so now if I will compile this, able to compile, if I will execute this, just I'm printing, I'm not going to try to change this value. Okay, I'm just printing. So now what I can do, x equal to, I am trying to modify this value, x equal to, I will write 40. Okay, and by equal to, I will write 50. Okay, so I am trying to modify this value. If I will compile this, you can see what happened. Line number 10 we are getting the error, cannot assign a value to a final x. Then line number 11 again, the compiler is going to tell you cannot assign a value to final variable as a y. Okay, so what is the conclusion of final? So let me tell you. So they will ask you the question, what is the final modifier? Final is a modifier. Okay, and final modifier is applicable for variable, applicable for class, applicable for method. Okay, understood, right? So in this example, we have applied with final as a variable, right? So when you will define final variable as a when you will define variable as a final, value cannot be changed. The same thing when you will define final as a class, you cannot inherit the value, you cannot inherit the class, means inheritance is not possible in class. Again you have to ask the question, what is the inheritance? Coming days we will discuss what is the inheritance. Then if you will define final as a method, you cannot override the method. Okay, so you have to ask the question, what is the overriding? So we will discuss in the inheritance and overriding in up concept guys. Okay, so this is your interview question guys. So someone will ask, you can give the same answer, but yeah, you have to give the example, means code example as well. So in this video that's it guys. So next video we will start what is the static and non-static member. in Java and what is the execution flow of a static and non-static member. So if you are new in the channel guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get a new video notification. Okay, so in the next video, bye bye.